Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username on BYTE. So this is going to work on any mobile device, whether it's Android, iPhone, it's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, we're going to start off just by clicking the BYTE app. It's going to bring up the home page. You're going to want to go along to the little person icon at the bottom right hand corner. And once you're there, you're going to want to go to the top right hand corner where it says edit profile. And then you're going to see right there it says username. So you've got, right now I've got at the how to cow. Right now I'm just going to change that, so you go all the way down, removing all that, and then I'm just going to change it just like a random name like this, just so you can see it works for this example. So then once that's done, you want to click save. You've got to make sure you click save, you can't just cancel it and go out. Once that's done, you'll see that the name has changed. You can go out and go back in again, and you'll see that the name has changed. Like if you go off the app and back on it again, and just to make sure it's changed properly. There you go, it's done. That's how it's done. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on one of the other playlists, the links on screen to see more BYTE how-tos, etc. That's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.